I am making gin soaked raisins. Gin soaked raisins are an old folk remedy that people have been using for many years to reduce pain from arthritis and inflammation. Many people say that it works because of the vitamins and the antioxidants in the raisins and the many benefits from the juniper berries in the gin. Juniper berries have anti-inflammatory properties. They are antifungal and antibacterial. By soaking the raisins in the gin, we are making an herbal tincture. This remedy recently made news when a 105-year-old woman in New Jersey recovered from COVID. When people asked her what her secret was, she said she ate 9 gin-soaked raisins a day. Here is how to make them. I am using a box of golden raisins. You have to use golden raisins. I am using a bottle of Bombay dry gin. You want to use a good gin that is actually made from juniper berries and not just flavoring. Here's my jar that I'm going to use to fill with raisins. Now I have to open my box of golden raisins. I have to use a scissor because I can't get it open with my hands. And then you pour the golden raisins in the jar. Okay. I'm opening my bottle of gin now, my Bombay gin. And now I have to pour it in. Hopefully I have enough gin here. That's just enough because I wanted to cover the raisins. I'm pushing the raisins down so they're all in the gin. See? Just enough. I had just enough gin. The bottle was 375 milliliters. And the box of raisins was a 15-ounce box of raisins. And it just was perfect. Between the gin and the raisins, it was the raisin box. It was just enough to make this recipe. And the jar was perfect too. And that's how simple this is. So I'm going to put this aside and let it sit for 9 days. After 9 days, Grandpa and I are going to have 9 raisins and we'll do a taste test. And we'll let you know how they taste. This is what the raisins look like after they've been soaking for 2 weeks. Now I'm going to open the jar. They smell like gin and raisins. Now I'm going to take out some raisins and put it through a strainer because you don't want to have the liquid in the raisins. You just want to eat the raisins with no liquid. I just strained the raisins so we can try them. We're each going to try 9 of the gin-soaked raisins. Okay, now Grandpa and I are going to try them at the same time. Ready, Grandpa?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Ooh.
Loaded with gin.
I think we'll be drunk.
Loaded with gin.
Ooh. I tell you, this will kill anything.
What is this supposed to, I thought it was supposed to be candy.
Candy? No.
Yeah, a 105-year-old lady was making this stuff.
Yeah, she had the coronavirus and she lived. And that was her secret. Having 9 of these gin-soaked raisins a day. Wow.
Gotta be a gin fan.
Oh, I like gin.
Oh. Kill your mouth.
This is like if you had a shot glass of gin and you drink the gin. There's no flavor of raisins in here. But instead of drinking it, you just chewing it, right?
Yep.
Wow. Better not light a match. We put a fire out, huh? Start a fire, right?
You don't breathe out, light a match.
Wow. Well, if anybody wants to try this, if you're a gin fan, you'll love this. But it's like having a shot of gin. Now we have all these raisins to finish up now.
Yes. Gonna take a long time. 9 a day.
Yeah.
18 a day. 9 for you, 9 for me.
Well, when we get to the bottom of this, we'll make another video. But I don't know. I might have to lay down now. This is strong.
Yeah.
You don't think so?
It's going away, the gin stuff. Evaporated.
Well, whatever. It's strong though. You don't really taste the raisins. It's a lot of gin.